Hello there, today I'm going to teach you how to make Fiverr gigs on your mobile cellular devices. That's right. Pretty much everybody has a phone, and this is how you make money with it. First, you're going to want to go to your browser and request desktop view. I assume you already have a Fiverr account, but if not, go ahead and make one. After that, go to dashboard, scroll down and click become a seller. If for some reason the footer isn't showing on dashboard page, go to a different one such as manage sales, and check again. Now for the fun part. Fill out all your info. I'll tell you, it is a process, but worth it. There's not much you can do compared to PC, but you could easily make a side job out of doing voiceovers, like me, or something else. Be creative. In the next video I'm going to be going over how I'm doing voiceovers for Fiverr. If you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe. If you want to make videos like me, but would rather pay for it than using the app, check out Fiverr, link below.